Hey, what's up guys? This is just a quick video to show how to remove wheel caps if you're not able to get them off easily. I've watched a couple of the methods on YouTube using various things like suction cups or dental floss, and these wheel caps are on here pretty tight. So I have actually a different method for removing these. It's a little bit more brute force, but I'm replacing them with the exact same wheel cap, so I don't necessarily care if they get damaged. So it's gonna just involve two tools right here. You're gonna need a drill and then just one of these picks that I guess Harbor Freight sells in a set. So it's gonna damage the wheel caps, but it's okay because it's gonna be a lot easier to remove these. First step is to get the drill and basically drill along the edge here. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So you're gonna drill into the wheel cap. Drilled through. So then all you do is you put this pick in here like this and turn it, and it takes it off just like that. Does damage the cap, but it's okay because we're replacing it with an original Speedline cap. I just got this car. It's a JDM WRX, and these are the wheels that came on it, but unfortunately these caps were pretty damaged, as you can see. So I'm gonna replace them now. Popped on the new wheel caps, and as you can see, it looks much better now. If you need some of the pick tools, I've left a link in the description of where you can pick up a set. Thanks for watching.